It's your girl Alicia Jones. In today's video I'm going to be installing these passion twists. This time I strictly only use the rubber band method, so if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this style, just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into the video. This is just me showing you my hair. I had already sectioned it off with the rubber bands, and then I'm using the 3X Ruba Water Wave hair by Sensational. It's my go-to hair for passion twists. And then also it's just me showing you the products: Shine and Jam, my comb, my crochet needle, and then this new stuff that I tried, which did not work, but yeah. So it's supposed to be this really thick gel that was supposed to have like a super hold on your hair. It did not work. And for this style I took one strand of the hair because I didn't want my twist to be super thick. So I just took the latch hook, inserted it under the rubber band, and I put the hair on the needle, closed it, and I pulled it through. But this time what I did was knotted it after I pulled it through, which I had never done, and it did hold up much better than when I didn't knot it. So that was good. And then once I did that, I put the product on there, I combed my hair, and then I proceeded to twist down. So you'll also see that some of my twists look different than the other ones. What you want to do, if you notice that it doesn't look right, you're going to undo it and then twist in the opposite direction that you had previously twisted, if that makes sense. And then that should get you right. So I think I was just in a rush when I was doing this hairstyle, and I didn't even feel like taking them down to redo them. I was just like, whatever, I'm not going to have this hairstyle up for that long anyway. So I just twisted it all the way down to the end, and that's what I did. So to repeat that process, I just put the latch hook under my hair in the rubber band, pull the hair through, and I knotted it. And for this style, I only used one strand of hair because I didn't want my twist super big and super bulky. And I didn't keep this hairstyle up too long. This was literally for my solo trip to Vegas. So yeah, so I twisted it. And this one, I feel like I didn't put any product on here, because as you'll see also, like some of my hair, you can see it sticking through the twist. So make sure you add that product before you start twisting, and you can even add it as you go down too. That always helps too. I guess I was in a rush and I just missed that one, but yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Do y'all got a solo trip coming up, or what upcoming styles do you plan on doing on your hair?
Put your money where your mouth is. Money on the floor, make the game go good. Money on the site, cause fights. Put up or shut up. Huh? Let the crib.
Drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, bucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The farthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low.
Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I really liked how it turned out, minus those ones that were like out of place because I twisted them in a different direction. And then I did add some juice just for a little bit more pop and a, you know, I wanted it to be super cute since I was going out of town. But this was a package of jewels that I had for probably over a year, and I was just now using them. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.